Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In this video, I will show you a quick method how to hide your taskbar automatically in Windows 11. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. Now let's see the first quick method. Just type setting in your start search bar, go to settings. Here, please go to personalization and then scroll down and here you will find taskbar. Just click on it. Again, scroll down and you will find taskbar behavior. Here we have an option to automatically hide the taskbar. The next quick method is go to search bar and type taskbar settings. Click on it and this will take you directly to the taskbar settings. Scroll down again, click on taskbar behavior and here you will find an option to automatically hide the taskbar. Now let's see the last quick method. If you go to your taskbar, right click over it and here you will find taskbar settings. Just click on it, scroll it down again, go to taskbar behavior and here you select automatically hide the taskbar. And that's how you can hide the taskbar, make the taskbar disappear, use the auto hide taskbar option and how to hide the taskbar when full screen in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.